We just started climbing for Dzukou Valley. From Kohima we came by car, but car will not take us further, so we shifted to a four-wheel drive. A local person, Vicho, is taking us. Sugo is sitting behind, Regu behind. So how many kilometers from here?
From here to dropping point 8 kilometers.
8 kilometers.
Take almost 1 hour, 50 minutes.
Oh, this 8 kilometers will take 1 hour.
Yes.
Oh.
Road condition is very bad. And 20 kilometers.
Dzukou entry counter. We reached Dzukou entry counter, from where we have to take
50 minutes.
ticket.
You have to registration.
5 minutes here to complete the procedure.